This is the first time I've ever attached a zipper to a leather project, and I'm completely winging it. No plan, just vibes. But somehow, it turned out way better than I expected. Today, I'm making a small zipper pouch using some 5 to 6 ounce chrome tanned leather I had lying around. It's soft finished and honestly perfect for projects like this. I'll walk you through what worked, what didn't, and why this might be the easiest way to start experimenting with zippers in your leatherwork, even if you've never done it before. I had a general idea of how to attach the zipper, but the hardest part by far was cutting out the opening. Lining it up cleanly was not as easy as I thought. The stitching was a little time consuming, but if you stick around to the end, you'll see it's totally doable and even for a first timer. A lot of people really liked my last scrap leather project, so I figured I'd turn this into a recurring thing. These videos aren't just for showing what to make with leftover leather, they're a great way for me to document my progress. I'm not an expert, I'm figuring this out in real time, and if you're learning too, we're kind of in it together. Eventually, maybe I'll start listing these small scrap builds for sale on the site in the small batch section, assuming they turn out good enough. But right now, they're just fun little projects for me, friends, or family. No pressure, no perfection, just working on progress. If you've never used chrome tanned leather before, here's the short version. It's soft, finished, and you don't need to dye or condition it. But it doesn't take the edge burnishing the way veg tan does. So normally, you'd want to use edge paint. I didn't have any edge paint on hand today, which would have looked really nice, but there's always next time. I did hit the inside edges around the zipper with a little toconol just to clean up the fuzz. It helped and it gives it a more finished look without going too overboard, but the rest of the edges, I just left them raw. This is chrome tan leather, and it's just a personal piece. It'll hold up just fine. Honestly, I'm really happy with how this one turned out. The first zipper project is in the books. If you're thinking about trying something like this, do it. You don't need a full plan, you just need to start. If you liked this video, drop a like so I know to keep the scrap project series going. Hit subscribe if you want to see more leatherworking content, from beginner stuff like this to more refined builds. And if you want to check out the leather goods that I do sell, head over to puredleather.com. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.